video, we will be replacing the headlamps in this 2003 Toyota Camry. From the front of the vehicle, we can see that one of our low beam headlamps has burned out. So through the driver's side door, we can locate our hood release latch and pop the hood. And after releasing our secondary safety latch, we can gain access to the engine bay. And inside the engine bay, we're going to start with our burned out side on the driver's side. We're going to focus our attention right near the front of the battery location. And taking a look inside of there, we have our low beam lamp location and we have our high beam lamp location. We will be focusing on the low beam side. And I will rotate that counterclockwise a little bit and wiggle that out. And on the back side of that, we do have a tab that needs to be depressed so we can wiggle out that lamp. And I do like to compare my new bulbs with my old bulb just to make sure that they look the same. This does call for a 9006 bulb. And we will be installing these with some cloth gloves, as you do not want to touch the glass. Now that driver's side is a little bit tight with the battery there. It can be done. If you did remove the battery, it would give you much better access. The passenger side is done in the same way, and there is about the same amount of access because of the washer fluid reservoir being in the way. Now we do have a slightly different style of bulb installed on the passenger side. I'm not sure why that is, but we will be replacing this with what the auto parts store said was the correct bulb. And we do want that rotated to the right to lock that in. And with those installed, we can go ahead and test them out. And everything seems to be working as it should. So this repair is complete.